All right, let's get out. Whew, all right. What's going on? First time fishing this here spot. There's some trash in the water because of the rain and because of humans. So I have no idea where the spots are around here. Just gonna start dropping lines in and seeing what happens. Let's get it. Fish on, baby. Tiny spotty. All right, give me that. How's it going, dude? How's it going? That's gotta be at least 5 inches. Oh, bro, don't you do that. You'll get me all tangled. Woo! Bye, little buddy. There he goes. Swimming back down to the... Alright, fish on. Feels bigger than the last tiny little spotty. Come on, baby. Feels bigger than a lot of spotties. Keep tension on that, not letting him get away. Come on, come on. It's a fatty. That's a fat boy. Damn, that thing's heavy. Look at that boy. Woo! Holy smokes. Where'd my bait go? Did you get it? You swallow it all? You got my bait?